3K Satellite. See Chef Ola the Juice working up, cooking up some chicken. You know.
How y'all doing, boys and girls? Cutting up some chicken for the New Year's. As you can see, y'all already have a couple cut up, but I'm gonna teach y'all how to cut up some chicken like a real chef.
Go to work.
First, we're gonna get rid of this plastic first. Got this chicken tied up like a slave. First, we're gonna take care of all the legs and the wings. Feel me? First, you go at the skin.
Hey, baby.
Let that bad boy go to work.
Voila, we got a drumstick. Popeye's chicken, motherfucker. Go at the second drum. Wow. We're gonna get some wings out of this mug.
Mr. Monroe got it.
I didn't know the king could cook, huh? Yeah. Chef Boyardee in this motherfucker.
He did?
Got a wing for you.
Where?
Where's the spices at, Chef?
Hey, we ain't start cooking yet. We just cutting up the meat, you feel me? Just cutting this bad boy up. Swag swag.
Are you sure Peter will not call you?
I'll cook them niggas too. Now we gotta cut this bad boy.
They may say you're harming the chickens.
Nah, this chicken dead already.
Isn't this illegal?
Hey, not in my house. Now we're gonna cut this motherfucker down the middle, cut it in half. As you can see, we get it in. Boys and girls, don't try this at home. You gotta be a professional chef. I've been cooking since 2 years old.
How long ago was that, sir?
About 18 years ago.
So if my mathematics is right, you should be 20 years old.
Yeah, something like that. Voila. We got a chicken back.
So you eat the whole thing in one try, one go, or what?
I don't eat none of this shit, man. I'll just cook it.
Why don't you eat it?
Because I can't eat my own cooking, you feel me?
You look like your own cooking.
You right, you right. So I can't eat it. See this motherfucking slab? You gotta cut it in half. You can't eat this whole motherfucker. Unless you Christmas.
Damn. What's going on Christmas, sir?
That's a fat motherfucker.
Damn. Who's Christmas for the record?
This fat boy, Chef Boyardee ass nigga from Quincy, boy. Florida ass nigga, lame as hell. He trick on his mama if he had a chance.
Damn. That's tough.
Right there. Fuck. I'll throw this away. Too much bone.
Aren't you being wasteful there, sir?
Not at all.
Couldn't you give it to the hyena you have?
I ain't eat Whole Food.
Whole Food? Like
Yeah.
from Whole Foods Market or what?
Yeah, you don't eat all this.
Oh, so he eat organic.
Yeah, my nigga eat organic. He eat better than all us. Yeah. Cut that in half. Slap of meat, boy. Oh, this is where y'all gotta be careful. I don't know if y'all motherfuckers eat ass. I know I don't. So I make sure to cut the ass part out. There's a chicken's ass right here. You know, it looks like a enlarged clitoris. So make sure to cut that off. Feel me? Unless you like ass. Get rid of that.
I think Christmas will like ass.
Yeah, I think that nigga will like ass. He look like ass. Continue though. Cut that motherfucker up right there. Get a nice slab of meat.
Slab of chicken, my dude.
Meat, chicken, all the same thing, man. You feel me? I'm the chef here. Shut the fuck up. There you go. Slab of meat right there. Show them how much meat we got, man. Motherfuckers be eating out here. Cut this bitch. I cut this bad boy
A
up
whole lot of meat. For how many people?
for about,
Well, how many themes should I say? Because, you got all type of animals in here. It's like Africa in here.
cut up a full bird in less than 10 minutes. Feel me?
Full bird.
King Ola 3K television. Show y'all niggas how to cut up a full bird in this motherfucker. We out. 3K.